Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And today I'm going to be reviewing our new 4K ultra high-res low profile dash camera with GPS. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our newest dash camera and the only one providing an astounding 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Not only will it capture crystal clear recordings of your drive and potential vehicular incidents, it will also log the GPS location as you head down the road, ensuring everyone is kept honest as to how and where an accident occurred. You may wonder, why does it also log GPS? Well, this can be great for keeping track of underage children who have access to the vehicle, or, knock on wood. You don't have any wood? You gave me a line and you didn't bring me any wood? What's going on here? We're trying to make videos. Or someone rear-ends your vehicle as they didn't see the school zone, and they try lying to the police after you've moved your vehicle off the main road to protect yourselves. Well, they'll have a harder time getting out of that major ticket with your camera footage and the GPS location recorded at the time of the incident. Beyond this added feature, other special abilities include a G-sensor that senses when the vehicle is struck, which would then lock recordings from being overwritten in the event of an accident, and it can store up to 24 hours of 4K footage when used with a 256GB SD card. All the setup takes place on the 2-inch screen, including setting the record resolution, enabling the date and time stamp, or even tagging a file with a license plate that you noticed but weren't too sure the camera captured. Mounting will be a breeze for any user, as it is a fairly unobtrusive and small unit, so tucking it up high and out of the way on your windshield should be a cinch. It comes with sticky tape to ensure it won't fall off or unstick, like is possible with a suction mount, and the cable is fairly long to allow you to string along the edges of the windshield and down into the car's power adapter. Once plugged in, this dash camera will boot up as soon as the car is turned on with the internal supercapacitor, which it uses instead of a battery, and we like this feature since there's always a possibility of explosion when putting a battery-powered device inside of a very hot vehicle. Okay everyone, so now we're going to go ahead with the unboxing for the 4K ultra high-res low profile dash camera with GPS. I'll get that started. Is a little bit of a tight fit right there. So inside you'll find the unit. Set that aside for right now. Foam protective insert, box for all the cable connections and everything. So, and here we have extra sticky tape for the unit. We have the cigarette lighter adapter cable, mounting connections for the extra bit of cable that you'll undoubtedly have, and then more mounting pieces for the actual unit to the windshield. And then data cable as well, because you can plug it right into a computer. And then the manual and warranty card. The manual will have everything that you need to know about the product. We do have videos like this on our website that'll help you out as well, along with our own quick start guides that we've written for the products. However, these are also very good manuals for the unit. So, pull this guy out. This already has the GPS module attached, and you'll see that there's a charge port here and a charge port there. So if I am using the GPS module, I do need to charge it through here, or plug it into the car through here. If not, then I can use it just right there, and then use a regular mounting bracket in its place. The mounting would be on the windshield, so you'll actually be looking through the windshield like this, getting the proper angle that you need. When it's plugged into a vehicle, you'll actually draw power from the vehicle. It doesn't actually have battery inside. That is kind of dangerous for dash cameras. If there's a battery inside of a very hot vehicle, it does have the potential to explode. That's why this has a supercapacitor. So once it receives power from a vehicle, it'll just boot up very quickly and start recording its trip.
And then at that point, you can turn it off yourself. You can turn the microphone on and off very quickly, start a separate recording, head through the menu, anything like that. And so that's the unboxing for the 4K ultra high-res camera. Let's go ahead for a real-world demonstration of this product.
As you can see, this 4K dash camera is a cut above the rest in terms of video resolution and the great extra features it carries. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.